This is the teeth pendant or eye pendant of 30i-A and 30i-B robot controller of Fanuc. Comfortable tray-way Didman switch. It needs to be switched off during productions or auto mode. You need to turn on during programming and jogging. We have two e-stop built in, one in controller and one in flex pendant. Two LED indication for fault and power. Fault has occurred and need to be reset before you can run the program. Fault show on the controller power on. Status indicator, for example, Didman switch release, motion information, forward and joint, and speed override. We have built-in USB port for backup and restore at the side of the teeth pendant. Reset hard key. Use this key button to clear faults and alarm. Shift hard key. When you press this key and press another blue button, it will enable that button. Jog hard key. Press this key button together with shift key and Deadman switch to jog the robot 6-axis. Jog speed key. This button will adjust the jog speed of the robot. Enable key for welding. This button will enable or disable the process. Wire jog keypad. Wire feeding in and out of nozzle. Diagnostic help key. Help diagnostic for error message and causes with explanation, remedy, and recommendation. Display hard key. Press this tab together with shift key to change from single to double or triple frames with extended status. Coord or coordinate key. Use this tab to select which motion instructions you want to use. X, Y, and Z, world, jog frame, or user frame, joint coordinate system, or tool coordinate system. Status hard key. Press this key to display and welding status. Display real and actual voltage of welding and speed of feeding the wire. OTF hard key. Use this key for on-the-fly welding to adjust parameters. Input and output key. Use this key to display input and output of the robot controller. The item hard key moves the cursor to a line whose number is specified. For instance, select a line and a teeth pendant, press item key, press line number, and enter. The backspace hard key. Delete the character or numerical immediately before the cursor. Previous hard key. Restore the latest activity and display the previous screen. The next hard key. Display the next set of function. Menu hard key. Use this key to display the menu screen. The following list of screens are Utilities, Test Cycle, Manual Function, Alarm, Input-Output, Setup, File, User, Select, Edit, Data, and Status. Functional hard key. Use this key to supplemental command. Example, abort all, change group, disable forward and backward, change group, release weight, toggle coordinate jog, quick and full menu, save, friend screen, unsimulated all input-output, cycle power, enable HMI menu, diagnostic lag. Group hard key. Toggle the eye pendant between different motion groups. Forward hard key. and production mode, use this key to start production of the robot, and step mode, use this key for the program statement. Backward hard key, use this key to execute previous program. Hold hard key, use this key to halt or stop the program. Enter hard key, use this process and activate the current information set, and enter numeric value. Numeric hard key, this key used to enter numeric values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0, etc. Navigation keys. The F1 through F5 functions are used to make choices based on what appear on LCD. Each function has different label depending on menu display on the screen. Teach hard keys. The teach hard keys used to select menu, data key welding, schedule list, edit key display, current program. Arrow hard keys. The arrow hard keys used to select or highlight the item on the screen and to enable navigation. If I'm going to move X positive, so I'm going to move X negative, I'm going to move Y, I'm going to move Y positive, Y negative, I'm going to move Z negative, I'm going to move Z positive, I'm going to move J4, joint number 4, axis number 4, axis positive, axis 5, joint 5 negative, joint 5 positive, joint 6 negative, joint 6 negative positive,